Hi, it's Sean with TriState Water Works. It's time for spring startups. We have the professional come out and start up your system so that no pipes are broken, and we can adjust all the sprinkler heads, make sure everything's covered, and want to keep your grass beautiful green and your plants and flowers healthy. And when we come and do that, we set it up for the springtime, how much time the system needs to run. But what happens when it comes summer and all of a sudden it gets hotter and the rain is less frequent? Well, we've got a solution to that. Now might be a good time to upgrade to that smart controller. And the benefit of having a smart controller is as the weather changes, it changes your programming for you. So, a couple things that does. Number one, saves you money because you're not putting water down when you don't need it. Or it can increase the water if needed to keep your plants healthy and green. So consider upgrading to a smart controller when you have your spring startup done this year. One more thing. So, what happens if you get a broken sprinkler head or your pipe bust? With the smart controller, if we use a flow sensor, you can be alerted, or we can be alerted that there's an issue, and we can fix the problem very quickly. So instead of having a sprinkler head with a nozzle missing, shooting water up in the air, and that's going on for weeks at a time or maybe a month because your system's running at 3 o'clock in the morning, we can be alerted that there's excess of flow in that zone and bypass that zone so we have a chance to come out and fix it while the rest of your system is running. So lots of pluses to having a smart controller.